Hello everyone, welcome back to Makan Sehat Diabetes, your trusted channel for simple, natural, and effective ways to manage blood sugar. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 vegetables that help lower blood sugar naturally. If you or a loved one is dealing with diabetes or blood sugar issues, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, because these vegetables could make a big difference in your daily diet and overall health. Let's dive in. Vegetable number 1, spinach. Let's kick off our list with one of the healthiest leafy greens you can find, spinach. This simple, everyday vegetable is truly a superfood for people with diabetes. Spinach is loaded with essential nutrients like fiber, magnesium, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants, all of which play a critical role in balancing blood sugar and supporting overall health. What makes spinach especially great for diabetics is its very low glycemic index. This means it won't cause sudden spikes in blood sugar after you eat it, making it one of the safest and smartest veggies to include in your daily meals. Beyond that, spinach is rich in alpha-lipoic acid, a natural antioxidant known to improve insulin sensitivity and help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which is a major concern for people living with diabetes. How to enjoy it? The best part? Spinach is incredibly versatile. Toss it fresh into salads, stir-fry it quickly with a touch of garlic for a tasty side dish, or blend it into your morning green smoothie for a nutrient-packed, blood sugar-friendly breakfast. Vegetable number 2, bitter melon. Coming in next is a vegetable that might challenge your taste buds, but offers incredible benefits for blood sugar control. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd. While its sharp, slightly bitter flavor may not appeal to everyone, its powerful effects on blood sugar make it a must-try for anyone managing diabetes. Bitter melon is packed with unique plant compounds such as charantin and polypeptide, EP, both of which have natural insulin-like properties. These bioactive compounds work by helping your body lower blood sugar levels naturally, increasing the ability of cells to absorb glucose from the bloodstream, and supporting healthier insulin secretion from the pancreas. Several studies have even suggested that regular consumption of bitter melon can lead to noticeable improvements in blood sugar regulation and overall metabolic health. How to enjoy it? If you're new to bitter melon, start by slicing it thin and stir-frying it with onions, garlic, or a little lean protein to balance the bitterness. You can also boil it and drink the infused water as a mild, health-boosting tea. Remember, a little bitterness today can mean better health tomorrow. Vegetable number 3, broccoli. At number 3 on our list is the ever-popular broccoli, a powerhouse among cruciferous vegetables and one of the best choices for people managing diabetes. Broccoli is packed with essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, and most importantly, a plant compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that's been shown in studies to help lower blood sugar levels, reduce oxidative stress, and protect the body from long-term diabetes-related complications. It also helps improve insulin sensitivity and supports heart health, which is especially crucial for those living with type 2 diabetes. On top of that, broccoli's high fiber content slows down digestion and the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals, keeping your energy steady and your metabolism in balance. How to enjoy it? To get the most out of broccoli's benefits, steam it lightly to retain its nutrients and natural crunch. You can also toss it into your favorite soups, add it to stir-fries, or enjoy it raw in salads. Just be sure to avoid overcooking, as this can reduce its valuable nutrients, especially sulforaphane. Vegetable number 4, okra. Moving on to number 4, let's shine a spotlight on a truly underrated vegetable for blood sugar control. Okra, also known as lady's finger in many parts of the world. Though it might not be the first veggie that comes to mind for managing diabetes, it's a natural ally worth adding to your diet. Okra is particularly rich in soluble fiber, which plays a crucial role in slowing down the absorption of glucose in the intestines. This helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals and keeps your levels more stable throughout the day. Additionally, okra is loaded with beneficial antioxidants, including quercetin, which research suggests may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in the body, both essential for managing diabetes effectively. Its natural mucilage, The thick gel-like substance released when cooked also aids in digestion and can further support blood sugar regulation. How to enjoy it? Okra is wonderfully versatile. Add it to soups, curries, or simply steam it and finish with a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing side dish. A popular traditional method is to slice fresh okra and soak it in water overnight, then drink the infused water in the morning on an empty stomach. A simple, natural remedy many people swear by for added blood sugar benefits. Vegetable number 5, bell peppers. And last but certainly not least, let's talk about the vibrant and delicious bell peppers. These colorful vegetables aren't just visually appealing. They're also incredibly beneficial for people managing diabetes. Low in calories and carbohydrates, bell peppers are a fantastic addition to any diabetic-friendly diet. One of their standout features is their high vitamin C content. This essential nutrient plays an important role in improving insulin sensitivity and helping to prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals. In fact, some studies suggest that people with higher vitamin C intake tend to have better blood sugar control and lower levels of oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to diabetes complications. On top of that, bell peppers are loaded with antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which help fight inflammation and support overall cellular health. Their high fiber content also aids digestion and slows down the absorption of glucose, making them an excellent snack or meal addition for anyone concerned about blood sugar balance. How to enjoy it? Bell peppers are as versatile as they are healthy. Enjoy them raw in salads for a satisfying crunch. Stuff them with lean protein and fiber-rich vegetables for a hearty main course, or grill them for a smoky, naturally sweet side dish that pairs well with almost any meal. So there you have it. The top 5 vegetables that help lower blood sugar. Naturally, which one is your favorite? Or do you have a go-to veggie recipe you'd love to share? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more natural, easy-to-follow diabetes tips from Mak and Sehat Diabetes. Stay healthy, stay positive, and see you in the next video.